I'm gonna bring in, show you what I did. Okay, so basically I didn't pre-drill my holes ahead because I got fasteners underneath and I didn't know where it was gonna land. So I gotta screw the holes all the way down. Then I'll put the screws in. I'm gonna show you the screws it came with. This little screw ain't gonna hold nothing on these 2x3s. So I got something that's longer, thicker, same here. Then I'm gonna add the little washer it came with, nylon washer. But like I said, I'm leaving the cross members blank. Once I screw these in, I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, that's good. Go ahead, bring you in. Real simple. Now you could pre-drill on the ground, but me, like I said, I didn't know where the screws was gonna land on this beam. And like I said, I don't have it perfectly aligned. I just want to be secure, okay? You want it perfectly aligned, that's just fine. Me, I just want to make sure it's nice and secure. Let me show you one of those blank cross members. See, that one's open because I got to make a little adapter piece to screw in there, and then use those long screws, long ones, so to get a nice bite. So there'll be 4 on each panel, going on the top and the bottom.